Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a cloud-based banking application is a complex task that involves various components, including backend services, databases, security measures, and more. Below is a high-level tutorial that outlines the steps to create a reliable cloud-based banking application in Java, along with code examples. Tutorial: Building a cloud-based banking application in Java. Prerequisites: 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, ensure you have JDK 11 or later installed. 2. Spring Boot, a framework that simplifies the development of Java applications. 3. Maven, for dependency management. 4. Database, use a relational database like PostgresQL or MySQL. 5. Cloud provider, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. 6. IDE, use an IDE like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. Step 1. Set up your Spring Boot project. You can create a Spring Boot project using Spring Initializr, https://start.spring.io. Dependencies: Spring Web, Spring Data JPA, Spring Security, PostgreSQL driver, or any other database driver. Create a project and download it as a zip file. Step 2. Project structure. Your project structure should look like this. Step 3. Configure application.properties. Configure your database and other settings in src/main/resources/application.properties. Step 4. Create the model. Create a simple user model in src/main/java/com/bank/model/user.java. Step 5. Create the repository. Create a repository interface to manage user entities in src/main/java/com/bank/repository/user-repository.java. Step 6. Create the service layer. Create a service class to handle business logic in src/main/java/com/bank/service/user-service.java. Step 7. Create the controller. Create a controller to handle HTTP requests in src/main/java/com/bank/controller/user-controller.java. Step 8. Security configuration. Configure Spring Security in src/main/java/com/bank/config/security-config.java. Step 9. Run the application. 1. Run the application. You can run bank application.java to start your Spring Boot application. 2. Test the API. Use tools like Postman or curl to test your API endpoints. Step 10. Deploy to cloud. 1. Choose a cloud provider, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc. 2. Set up a PostgreSQL database. Use the managed database service of your cloud provider. 3. Deploy your application. You can use services like AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Google App Engine, or Azure App Service. Additional considerations: 1. Testing. Implement unit tests and integration tests for your application. 2. Logging. Use SLF4j or Log4j for logging. 3. Monitoring. Use tools like Prometheus and Grafana for application monitoring. 4. Security. Implement OAuth 2 or JWT for better security practices. 5. Microservices. Consider breaking down your application into microservices for scalability. Conclusion: this tutorial provides a high-level overview and basic implementation of a cloud-based banking application in Java using Spring Boot. You can extend this application by adding features such as account management, transaction history, and more robust security measures. Always keep scalability and reliability in mind when designing cloud-based applications.